your shadows in my room. Can't take back the love that I gave you. It's to the point where I love and I hate you, and I cannot change you, so I must replace you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl, Beautybybrittanyu. In today's video, I'm bringing you guys my birthday makeup look that I did for my birthday. You are a sad sister. Can I get a whoop, a whoop, a whoop, whoop, whoop? So this is for my Sash sisters, my babies in December. Here you go. My birthday is at the end of November. It's November 29th, and yeah, so basically I'm a December baby, but November to the day that I die. So anyway, yeah guys, I'm showing you guys how I did my makeup look. Glitter, it's, you know, it's me, it's extra. If you want to be extra for your birthday, this look is for you. You know, we're going all in, we're applying our shimmer, we're looking beautiful. We're looking exquisite, we're looking marvelous, honey. So yeah, this makeup look is for you, okay? And it doesn't just have to be my Sag babies. It could be my Capricorns, my Pisces, my, what's next? My Aries, whoever. This video is for y'all too. So just get your popcorn and watch me do my makeup. I hope you guys enjoy. This is gonna be my first, this is my first video in my series, my Get Ready Birthday edition with me. So yeah guys, be on the lookout for 2 more new videos. So unfortunately, Juice WRLD died today. This video is gonna go up. I filmed it a while ago, but I'm like kind of like heartbroken that he died. Like I just started listening to his music. I am super sad about it. Just wow. R.I.P. If you know anyone who's doing drugs, especially these hardcore drugs, tell them to stop. Like people are dying way too young. Like it's not even cool no more. Like he's in his 20s and he's just gone. Can't hear from him. Parents can't touch him no more. I mean, it's actually very, very sad. May you rest in peace forever. But yeah, enough of that. Let's get right into the video. I hope to see y'all soon. I'm gonna take my Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisture, as well as the Potency Power Serum, and go ahead and apply on my face. I'm gonna take this one first. So this is my birthday glam. So I kind of want this to be real moisturizing and real therapeutic to the skin. I want the moisture to be here all day. There's a little glitter. Then I'm gonna take this one, water drench, get a little drenched. This feels so good on my skin. Like it's one of those serums that actually feel like lotion and not like a gel. And the moisturizer feels more like a water-based gel. But I didn't read the instructions or anything like that, so I'm just talking. The face is moisturized. Like this, we're gonna take the lightest color right here. I got my brows threaded. I let them grow out. I feel like I've shown you guys how I do my face a lot. So we're just gonna like breeze on through that portion of the makeup look. And just focus on the eyes, the lips, and like how I plan to like, I guess, do my, bake my under eye and all that stuff. Just let y'all know that I'll be using my NARS foundation and my concealer in Too Faced, and that hasn't changed. As you can tell, I'm in a rush, per usual. I would show you all the time. My phone is charging, but it's probably like 11:32. My brunch is at 1. I told my friends that it's gonna be at 1 o'clock. I mean at 12:30, because I know how y'all are. Y'all be late. Y'all be super late. And I love how this caramel lightens my brow without me having to like dye my brows or anything like that. They just gives it a nice like warm caramel tint. We're gonna put this on my lip. My Laneige lip sleeping mask.
Y'all know I have a brow tutorial up on my channel. I show you how to do it. Go ahead and watch that video. I will link it in the description.
That's it. And I'm gonna go do the same on the other eye, and then I'll be right back. And then we're gonna go ahead and do our eyeshadow base. We're gonna be working with glitters today because I want to pop. I'm a birthday girl, I gotta shine.
Right now, I'm gonna be going ahead with my pLouise base, and I'm applying that on my lid.
I have the pLouise base. I have it squeezed on the back of my hand. The direction says to squeeze it on the back of your hand to warm it up, and then coat both sides of the brush to activate it all. And that I've done, and I'm going to apply it on my eye. We're going to go in with this palette by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. I'm going to go in with this yellow color right here.
And let me tell you, my eyeshadow colors definitely did pop with this base. I love this base. I've never seen my eyeshadows perform this way. And guys, I didn't set it with a white translucent powder. This is just the pLouise base and eyeshadow. Nothing else with it. We're going to be taking that mustardy yellow color and placing it in my crease. I'm basically just trying to contour my eye shape.
I have never seen like my eyeshadow like instantaneously like do the work for me, because the eyeshadow and the brush, they're doing the work for me. I don't have to do too much. Love.
I'm taking the second shade that I show y'all and just placing it on top, and we're just buffing out the crease and just making everything look very seamless. I'm using my Morphe M330 brush to go ahead and do all of this, and I'm basically working with one brush for my crease color.
Now that's done. I'm going to take a clean Morphe brush. I don't know the number because it kind of broke up at the end, but we're just going to blend it all out.
So now I'm taking that darker shadow that I'm pointing to and just using that to create more dimension, because this is going to be a cut crease. So I'm just placing it more towards the middle of my brow, or the middle of my eyeshadow, and winging it out. So I'm creating a wing with that darker color, and then I'm going in with this Sigma smaller brush. I don't know the name, I'll let y'all know. And then I'm just, you know, perfecting that area because it's a cut crease once again. Using the pLouise base to cut my eyelid space out. And yeah, I'm using a flat shader brush from Morphe. And I'm going back and forth and just sweeping that darker shade in the crease, making sure everything is blended and that I didn't lose any color as well. And then once I'm done cutting my crease with this, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics palette, the Zodiac palette. Shout out to that palette. And we're just going to be using the lightest white color with shimmer and placing that on top of the cut crease that we've done on the lid. So yeah, we're going ahead and using that Zodiac palette, using all that color. And now it's time for glitter. I'm using NYX's glitter glue. And then the glitter is a concoction that I made. I used a pink with like purple in it, and I used a white glitter, and then I used like a gold color too as well. The gold doesn't really pick up because I didn't really want it to be gold. I wanted it to be more pink. But these glitters are all from Bulk Glitters, and they're like super inexpensive actually. And so yeah, that's how I made my glitter. Birthday girl's got to do something different, you know. And how I'm doing my glitter, I'm not putting it all over the lid. I'm leaving some space between the glitter and the white shade that I put from BH Cosmetics, and I think that's super pretty, and I just love how it turned out. I did my wings off camera. Now I'm priming my face for the foundation application, which I'm not going to show here unfortunately, but y'all know I have tons of videos showing y'all how I do my face, so I didn't think it was necessary, but I'm using NARS as my foundation. For the inner corner highlight, I'm using Ja Rule's not Ja Rule's, but Ja Rule's white gold pigment for the inner eye pop. My lip liner is ColourPop BFF in 4, and I'm using KKW by Kim in the shade Nude 3. And now you see me applying my gold. Now you see me applying my Bold Hold wig glue, because we're finna secure the lace, baby. Secure it. And we're putting 2 layers so that we don't mess it up, okay? You need to let it dry for 30 seconds to a minute if it's that small of an application. Like, wait, sis, or your wig is gonna fly off, and you don't need that. We do not need that. So, of course, I blow dry this, but I didn't show that. And now I'm just reapplying my makeup because I wiped some of it off to apply the glue. Using my hot comb to make sure everything's flat, baby. You know how that goes. And the look is done. The look is done. I totally hope you guys enjoy this video.
I can't wait to talk to you guys next time. Toodles.